How to fix Roblox not joining mobile games. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel and let's get started. First thing first, you have to make sure that your application is updated. So head over to your Play Store and here search for Roblox. If your application shows play or open, leave this as it is, but in case you see update, tap onto update and update your app. Once done, head over to your settings. Scroll all the way below until you see the option of apps here. Tap it. Here you will see all the applications that you have in your device. Here you have to search for Roblox. Tap onto your Roblox, go for storage, and then clear the cache. If you remember your credentials, you might also go ahead and tap on clear data and clear all the data related with your Roblox account. Now come back onto app info page, tap on force stop, then OK. Once you do all that, restart your device and this will definitely fix your problem. That is all for today guys. Thank you for watching. We will catch you up in our next upload.